Hello and welcome back to the ContenTable tutorial series. In this video we're going to go over the sheet configuration process. That is to say, preparing our spreadsheet for being converted from an Excel file into scriptable objects. So let's just go over all the elements of the sheet configuration view real quick. So up here we have the name of the config file that we have open, tutorial config. We have the location, the file location of the Excel document that is currently loaded into ContenTable. And here we have a list of all the sheets in that Excel document. And if you recall from back when we created the Excel document, we only have one sheet in it called buildings. So if I click this button, it'll display the columns in that sheet. Alright, so the first thing we have to do when configuring a sheet is we decide what type to serialize it to. So type to serialize to, we click this drop down, and this will show us all of the content objects that we have in our project. And currently we only have building definition, which you may remember from the episode on creating scriptable object types for our ContenTable project. So if I click that, the next thing I can do is I have a list of all the columns, and you can see these are the names we put in the header row in our Excel document. So here we have a little checkbox that says in use. We click this to let ContenTable know that yes, we do want to use this column. And then we click this and we can see all of the fields in our content object in our building definition. So we're just going to click name ID and set it to string. Now, before I go on, I need to just make a note of this is text option. This is a localization feature. We'll talk more about this in the video on localization features. So just ignore that for now. Anyway, so we want to use all of these. It's possible that your spreadsheet might have more columns than you have fields to serialize to, and it might be that maybe you have one that's like testing data or something like that. So for cost, we're of course wanting to map that to cost to build. Hit points of course goes to hit points. Prerequisites goes to prerequisites, and type goes to type. And you can see here the type of the field that is serializing to is listed to the right of the field to serialize to drop-down box. And that's really all there is to configuring a sheet in ContenTable. As you can see, it's very intuitive, very simple, and also very flexible. So that's it for today. I hope to see you in the next video, and until then, thank you for watching.